Hey guys, welcome to I'll Try It with Sonya. That would be me. And on this episode, we are trying to get over our fear of heights. Not that I really have a fear of heights, but if I did, this would definitely be one of the ways to get over it. And we will be trying a helicopter ride today. About we, I mean me. And hopefully you guys will get out there and try it too, because my kids chickened out on me. But it doesn't matter. The show doesn't stop. We're just going to get out there and try it. Let's go. All right, we're headed out there. That's the one. Option also, but she needs the doors on or I would have even had a drink. But this is definitely very exciting. I think we're about to come in for a landing. But I'm still ducking. No, she's extra careful. No, my hair is not this wild because of the actual helicopter ride is this wild because it's kind of windy out here, Central Texas. But anyway, it was fun. I did like literally freak out when he was making that turn because it was scary. The guy was trying to explain that it's kind of like a turning in your car, but it was a little more different than that. It was so he did let up on the turns, but it was absolutely recommend that no matter what your fears are, you get out there and try it. I never thought in a million years that I would get up in a helicopter. Being in an airplane, it's a lot different because it's larger for one, and it just seems safer. But this, there were windows all around, as you've seen it, saw in the video, and it was just beautiful and freeing even. So even though I was nervous, I was excited and having a good time while I was up there. So you guys get out there. See you on the next episode.
It's like riding in your car. This is saying the doors are up. Now we can take the doors off, but the doors are up.
And I'm like, well, you guys are awesome. Thank you.